Today, I'm hunting Italy's most famous pizza. Fusible, here is 3 cups of flour. 1 cup of warm water, but not hot, sugar, salt, dry yeast, and olive oil. Mix warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let rest 5 to 10 minutes, then add it into a bowl that you have flour. Salt and olive oil and knead them 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Cover and let rest in a warm place for an hour until doubled. Hello, Mr. Onion. Welcome, mushrooms. Come on, everybody. Olives, corn, thyme and paprika, tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Take a photo all together. Say cheese. Cut the onion without crying. Order the mushrooms to be chopped in any shape you like. Cut the olives into rings. Now set the temperature of oven to 230 Celsius for preheating. Bring Mrs. Dough and smooth it well with a rolling pin. Spin her in the air for a while so she can enjoy the carousel. Spread the tomato sauce all over the dough. Add just a little thyme and cheese, and then the other ingredients. Now, the shower of mozzarella cheese and sprinkle paprika and thyme on top. Put it in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese melts. You can also use a pan with a lid if there was no oven. It's ready. You can also use chili flakes, fresh basil, oregano for designing before serving. As usual, set a nice table and enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm waiting for your comments. Next time, I will be back with a Japanese dish. See you soon.